This video highlights the new Light Guide Speos feature. Accessible for non-optical experts. Achieve high-level design thanks to simple user interface. Enter variable parameters thanks control point. Choose relative position. And enter local parameter value for each parameter. The parameters of control points are accessible in the cat tree, and you can reuse the parameters and define them in target in optimization loop. Possibility to have add and remove prisms continuously using offset value. Control precisely the efficiency of each prism thanks trimming ratio parameter. It allows to keep the width constant all along the light guide for a better unlit appearance. A bonus in design mode, you don't need anymore to sketch a circular profile. You access directly to it in the body panel. We are now going to see the light guide generation. Open Light Guide feature. Select the guide curve. Choose Circular Shape Profile, which will be projected along your guide curve. Enter the diameter, or select a sketch profile from the 3D view. Select the optical axis, reverse the line giving the main direction in which you expect the light will be extracted. Then enter start and end distance, on which one you don't need prisms. In Prism Geometry tab, for the first design, enter constant parameters values and generate the light guide. Hide the assembly to see the prisms. Create a simulation to check the lit appearance. Observe the result. You see 3 dark zones, and, thanks polyline measure, you see that luminance is not homogeneous. Edit a new time the light guide to improve the efficiency of prisms along the light guide. Select Hybrid Operation. Depending on the offset value, prisms can be both add and remove continuously. Control the offset with control points. From Control Point tab, choose Relative Positions and enter local offset value for each position. Apply a variable end angle. The control point position can be specific for the end angle parameters. Launch computation, then observe the prisms along the light guide. Prisms are removed at the end. And the offset increase for having them in add at the light guide beginning. To control efficiency of each prisms, add a variable trimming ratio from 30% to 0%. Observe the new optical result. Then validate the homogeneous lit appearance. You design in a few minutes an homogeneous light guide.